Vlogmas Day 8. We hope everybody is having a great day, a great morning. As you can see by the title of this video, we are going to be organizing all of our makeup. Because I already know I'm going to be getting makeup probably for Christmas. So I just want to be all organized and everything like that before I get my new makeup. Now, I have tons of makeup. This is majority of my makeup. Well, maybe some of my makeup. And I'm going to show you everything before we even get started. So you want to show them your makeup, then mommy show them my makeup? Okay.
So I got all my lip glosses and chapsticks and lipsticks and brushes for my cheeks or my eyes. And I got nails and nail polish and a nail polish dryer so I could dry quickly. And I have these press-on nails, these cute little bunny nails too. And my mom bought me this crate to put store all my makeup in. And I have a frozen palette, and I already used it. And my mom gave me this, and then I have the pack of makeup in it. And I have these two lip glosses, which is my favorite, and this eyeshadow, which is my favorite palette. And this is the lipsticks I just got because I think they were cute, so I got them. And I have this My Little Pony palette that I used already. And then I have a lot of lipsticks and lip glosses and chapsticks. And that's all I have.
Okay, so this is my pal over here, y'all. Like, look at all this. I need to organize all of this. All of it. I have like so many palettes and stuff. I mean, a lot of people might not think this is a lot, but to me it's a lot. I have like foundations, concealers, you know, my sprays, my palettes, lipsticks, nails. I need to organize all of this. So that's what we're about to do. Organize all of this. This is my pal. This is her pal. And you like to do what with your makeup? You like to practice makeup. You like to play dress up. You like to make lip gloss. Yeah. So stay tuned if you're interested. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up this video, and let's just get straight into it, guys, because we got a lot to do. So I bought her some new containers and me some new containers from this store called Daiso. And it was the same store that we had in Korea. And I went in there yesterday and I was like, okay, maybe we should do all our makeup over. So I bought a couple containers for her and me. So this is what we're going to be using to organize our makeup. I'm still going to keep some of my makeup in the containers that is already in as well. So
We all done. I organized all my lipsticks, all my color lip glosses, and this more lip glosses and lipsticks. And these are the result of my color lip glosses and little lipsticks and chat balm. This is my eyeshadows and my
blushes.
Blushes. And these are my nail polish, and these so I can paint my toes right or my nails. And these are my brushes that I like. And these are the nails, press-on nails, and kids' nails, and movie nails, and these nails. And that's all I have. And I think this looks great.
Okay, here is all of my makeup, all organized. I did all my eyelashes and stuff in here. I put my Juvia's Place palettes in here. I put my lip pencils in here. These are my eyebrow pomades, my Fenty Snap Shadows. I put some blushes here, my highlighters, my bronzers, and also some more bronzers right here. Some blush as well. And then right here I got all my lipsticks, my lip glosses, more lipsticks and everything like that. In this one I put all my setting powders. Then here I got all of my mascaras, my concealers, everything that I need to contour my face. And this one I just put some extra eyelashes that I had, all my press-on nails, some extra foundations that I have that were on sale, so I bought all of them. And there's some little extra stuff down here that were like samples and stuff from the store. Right here I put all my foundations. All of these are foundations right here. All of these are foundations right here. Got them organized as well. And then right here is like all of my facial products, like my setting spray, my toners, my primers and stuff like that, my eyelash glue and everything like that. So far so good. I got everything organized. I think this was awesome idea to do because now I can be more organized with my makeup. Okay guys, we are all done. We hope you guys
enjoy
the video. And yes, I think everything looks good. Do you like the way all your makeup is organized?
Yes.
I do. I think you did a great job. You did all your makeup by yourself. And I think my makeup looks so much better than it did before. Now I can stay all organized.
Yep, and me.
Yeah, we both can. High five, girl. High five. Tomorrow is Vlogmas day 9. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I felt like this is something me and my daughter can do because I do makeup and it's starting to like rub off on her. She is really into doing makeup. She likes seeing like scary videos of like scary makeup, all kinds of makeup and stuff like that. So maybe one day she'll grow up to be a makeup artist or a celebrity makeup artist or whatever she wants to do with it. Yeah, is that everything?
Yep.
Okay, let's tell them goodbye. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you thumbs up this
video.
Please do that. Make sure you are subscribed. Like I said, turn on the post notification bell so they don't miss any videos from mommy. So yes, so do what she says. Turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And like I say in every video,
Peace out.
Peace out.